Welcome to Datanla Waterfall in Dalat, one of Vietnam's most beautiful and thrilling waterfalls. Hidden among pine forests and misty hills, this is where adventure meets nature. In this video, VietnamTour.in will show you everything you need to know before visiting Datanla, from tickets and activities to travel tips for Indian travelers. Nestled in the heart of Dalat's lush pine forests, Datanla Waterfall is one of the city's most beloved natural attractions. The waterfall flows gracefully through rocky slopes, creating a stunning scene of white water and mist surrounded by greenery. Unlike many other waterfalls, Datanla offers both calm beauty and thrilling adventure, where visitors can stroll peacefully by the water or ride an alpine coaster down through the forest. It's a place where nature, fun, and relaxation come together, making it a must-visit spot for travelers exploring the charm of Dalat. Datanla Waterfall is only 5 kilometers from Dalat city center, about a 15-minute drive through beautiful pine forests. You can easily reach it by taxi, motorbike, or private car. The ticket price is around 50,000 Vietnamese dong per person, less than 200 rupees, making it an easy, affordable, and fun spot to visit in Dalat. It's the perfect place to enjoy nature without traveling far from the city. So why is Datanla Waterfall in Dalat a must-visit? Because it's not just a place to see, it's a place to experience. Hidden in a lush pine forest, Datanla offers both peace and excitement. You can admire the stunning waterfall, listen to the sound of rushing water, and take part in fun activities like the alpine coaster, zip lining, or abseiling. It's where nature, adventure, and beauty come together perfectly in one spot. The best time to visit Datanla Waterfall is from November to April during Dalat's dry season. The weather at this time is cool, sunny, and pleasant, with temperatures around 18 to 25 degrees Celsius, perfect for exploring and outdoor adventures. The sky is clear, the waterfall flows gently but beautifully, and the pine forests look fresh and green. This season is also ideal for taking photos, hiking, or enjoying activities like the alpine coaster and zip line without worrying about rain. Getting to Datanla Waterfall in Dalat is simple. From Dalat city, take a taxi or rent a motorbike. The ride takes only 10 to 15 minutes. You can also book a tour with VietnamTour.in, which includes transport, tickets, and local guidance. Easy and stress-free. Now, let's talk about fun. The most exciting thing here is the Alpine Coaster ride, a mini roller coaster that takes you through pine forests straight down to the waterfall. You can also go zip lining, abseiling, or simply walk down to enjoy the view. For families, the cable car ride and photo spots near the water are perfect. After exploring Datanla Waterfall, you can visit other beautiful nearby spots like Pren Waterfall, Tuyan Lam Lake, or the Dalat Cable Car Station, all just a few minutes away. Each place offers stunning scenery and peaceful vibes, perfect for relaxing or taking photos. It's easy to spend a full day surrounded by nature's beauty in this area. Here are a few quick tips for your visit to Datanla Waterfall in Dalat. Wear comfortable shoes and light clothes, as there's some walking involved. Bring a jacket. Dalat weather can be cool. And don't forget your camera. Every corner here is picture perfect. From the sound of rushing water to the thrill of the alpine coaster, Datanla Waterfall in Dalat offers
Thác
the perfect
Datanla
mix
Đà
of
Lạt
nature,
nổi tiếng
fun,
với vẻ đẹp
and
thơ mộng
peace.
hoang sơ,
Plan your
hùng vĩ
Vietnam
của
trip
Đại Ngàn.
with VietnamTour.in, your trusted partner for hotels, tours, and visa support for Indian travelers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories from Vietnam.